Hey guys, 𝐑𝐞𝐜 here to talk about textbot AI and give some proof that members are actually getting payouts with textbot AI. This has actually been a requested video. People have been saying, Shin, can you show us some proof that members are getting payments with textbot AI? I said, no problem. So put together a quick video to actually show what is happening with the members of textbot AI. So let's get right into it. In this video, I'm going to review proof that members are actually getting $100 payouts and bringing in $100 over and over again. And I'm going to talk about the process and also show what's happening with our members. Okay, so just a quick overview. textbot AI is an automated system. It gives you a phone number. And then once people dial into that phone number, it not only generates leads for you, it turns those prospects into leads by getting them into the system, and then it exposes them to the Ava system and your primary business opportunity as well. So it does two things for you on automation. Now, the system, when it presents to people the opportunity and they decide to get the system for themselves, whether they're a business owner, whether they're an affiliate marketer, a network marketer, a business owner, when they get it, you make $100 instantly. Okay, so if you're looking for a way to earn unlimited $100 without having to dish out a ton of money, then this is definitely a great system. Your only thing that you do is to share your telephone number, and that invites people to listen to Ava. Now, there's again, if you look at some of my other videos, there's several ways that you can invite people to share that. You could share it on your profile, you could share it to your stories, your Facebook groups. You can do videos like I do on YouTube, which is an excellent way to get leads, or you could do solo ads. So these are all things that you can do. And the thing about it is that with Ava, not only do you make $100, but essentially every person who purchases the system, you make an extra $100 bonus, so to speak, off of that person, because when they make a second sale, that goes to you. Okay, and that happens to everybody in the Ava system. They have the opportunity to 10x their income using the Ava system. Now, to get started is pretty simple. This is my number, 862-333-1583, and you could dial that and see how the Ava system works. Now, the great thing is, to get started, it's only $100 one time. There's no monthly fees, and it allows you to literally have not only a lead generation system, but also a way to start generating income. Now, your only other fee to run your business in a box is essentially the fee to for Ava to text your lead. So you will need to purchase a package. You can purchase a package for $10. There is a $10 package. There's some other ones, but the $10 one. And then your business is ready to start going. You can start generating leads and sales using Ava, the Ava platform. Now, once you get started, you paid your $100 plus 10, so $110. You're ready to roll. Okay, you're going to go ahead and connect your payment process, and with Ava, you can choose however you want to get paid, which is pretty awesome in itself. If you want to get paid via PayPal, credit card, Google, there's so many different options in there, Cash App, so on and so forth. You're just going to connect that payment link there, and then you're ready to go. So you're able to start accepting payments. Next thing is you're going to start sharing your phone number, and I already gave some ideas on how to do that. And then Ava, from there, it takes over. Okay, so Ava presents the opportunity. Ava explains how everything works. It's like literally your virtual assistant. And not only that, Ava follows up within 24 hours. I mean, if you don't know, Fortune's in the follow-up, and Ava takes care of that too. Ava explains how everything works. How people could not use the system to not only make $100, but to automate their businesses as well. Ava explains that. So when the listener purchases, they say, I like what I'm hearing. Cool, I'm going to get this for myself. Then you are sent $100. Okay, it's that simple. Now, when the listener themselves, the person who joined and they sent you their $100, again, after they make their first sale, they keep their first sale. Their second sale, it goes to you. You're sent another $100. So I want you to imagine, like in the course of a month, let's say that you just 5 people, right? You made 5 people went through your system and they purchased Ava. Okay, now you made $500, but when they make their second sale, you made another $500. You made $1,000 off of 5 people listening to your phone number and deciding to purchase Ava for themselves. Okay, and then you just rinse and repeat this process until you reach your goals. If your goal was to make $1,000 a month, I just gave you a roadmap. Okay, if your goal was to make more than that, okay, then you double that roadmap, but it's just rinse and repeat. This is the process. All right, so let's look at this proof. I'm just going to show my proof real quick and to show you some others. So right here, you can see I made my first $100 within 24 hours promoting this system. Here we have Jay. He had several balances here, and he says that he loves Ava. Congrats to him. Lance here has made $17,800, and he said keep going. Dell said starting marketed today and made $1,100 today. Well, actually $1,200, but one guy didn't follow the steps correctly. We are walking him through how to do it correctly, time to scale. That's pretty awesome. It's amazing. Then we have Julius over here said, I brought in my first sale within 5 days after joining, and I'm a super private person. This business works, period. Well, congrats to Julius. So then we have Alex here. He says, motivation 4,700 in 37 days. 10x that number, pick one or two traffic sources. So again, where are you gonna share your number at, right? So again, I do YouTube reviews, you know, things like that, Facebook profile. So we're saying the same thing, right? So that's how simple it is to make this system work for you, and this system converts really well. So if you are ready to get textbot.ai, to leverage it to not only put some automation into your business, but also to help you generate leads, and to make those awesome $100 commissions, I do have some bonuses to help you make textbot.ai success, but not only just textbot.ai, just your success as a digital marketer. And what I have found, I've been online so long, well, it feels like forever, but I've been online long enough to know that there's a lot of gimmicks online, and a lot of you know, a lot of people like give people gimmicks to, oh yeah, do this and do that. And the time-tested way to make money online is video marketing. So one of the top bonuses that I give us, $1,000 bonus, is it's a training that I put together. It's my training on how to make full-time income online leveraging videos. How do you make videos that convert? How do you, what kind of content should you be putting out? And I even give, you know, like, a schedule, all types of things like that, so that you really understand how to make video marketing work for you. Okay, so you will get access to that course when you pick this up. You're also going to get a free getting started guide on Google Docs that you can copy and use for your own team. It's going to walk you through step by step what you need to do to get started with this system. That's $100 value, and then you're going to get free lead generation training, where I'm going to give you some pre-written ads and resources that you can use to post online to start generating leads right away. $100 value. And the last thing you're going to get is when it comes, it's not done yet, but you will get a done for you branded lead generation funnel. And you will also have access to me via text, which is invaluable if you have quick questions and things like that. So that's my bonus bundle that you will get access to when you pick this up through me today in the beneath this video. All right, so go ahead and claim your 24-hour bonus bundle. Get started with textbot.ai. I look forward to welcoming you on the inside, and smash the subscribe button. See you in the next video.